And then what I found about the home was then it even itself was a 2-story house. It was very small because we're so used to this big building, you know. And the bedroom was small as well, like, you know. So that was a big change for me. And even when I got out of the car, a dog came running, and I never seen a dog before. So I jumped back into the car again.
And you were saying you were treated as well differently in the town.
I was treated very well with the foster people, like, you know. They were strict enough now. You had to work, and, you know, they had a farm and you had to do the work and all that, like, you know. They always believed that you worked, you know, that you got nothing soft or anything like that, you know.
And in terms of how you said the people that sometimes would treat you knowing that you were from that home.
Well, they knew that I came from somewhere, but they didn't know, but they knew that I was out of wedlock. And I suppose it's the church again is to blame. That's the way they were thinking, that you were nothing but a kind of a not a scumbag, I don't know how you put it, that you weren't normal, like, you know, you weren't normal when you didn't come in with a married family, that you were, and there was something about you that you weren't normal.
And you want an apology now?
Oh, you want an apology,